Well, we're going to take a little look at the engine and kind of, I guess, you know, show you what it is that I'm at least trying to deal with. Really more George than me, but this is some crappy stuff here. If you take a look, this is the intake manifold. It's caked with grease and dirt. I mean, it's just dirty grease is all it is, but I'm sure it's going all the way down, you know, into the to the engine there. The gasket's broken. I worried maybe that I had dropped a bit of gasket in there, but I don't think that I did. You know, I mean, I don't know what I should do. Should I got to get back here to the fuel injector pump, which is right there, if you can see it. Alright, there's the electric coming into it again. Now somebody on my YouTube channel said that it was I had to maybe rebuild the injection pump, and that's really a pretty good place to start if I'm going to have to you know, start taking things apart. I'd rather not have to go back down and take the harmonic balancer back off, but at least we have some practice at that. This I don't know what to do about until I take the manifold off, which means me taking the fuel filter off and a bunch of other stuff off, and basically having a big old mess here until I can figure out how to put it all back together again. So I don't think this is something I'm going to be doing here. I may have to ask somebody a great big favor again and see if they'll let me at least use their driveway for a little bit to do this, leave it in pieces, and come back, put it back together, because this isn't something I'm going to be able, or George even is going to be able to do, you know, in a single day, and that might not even fix the problem, but it really should, I do believe. And I'm going to give it a little start here, and see what Facebook people have to say about it. I think, though, the Carter Hour, my YouTube channel, gave me some pretty good advice. He thinks it's the injection pump, and that one of the injectors isn't getting enough fuel when it's under load, even when it's not under load, obviously, but I'm not getting any power. It gets up to maybe 20 miles an hour, and it's really not shifting gears. I know I do have a transmission issue, but I ought to be able to scoot this thing along faster than 20 miles an hour. And it's kind of not backfiring, but it's missing. It's there's a timing problem, and you can hear it, you can feel it. Let's shut up and get to it. Okay, now make sure your sound is down. Injection pumps on, or the glow plug is on. Off. She smoked up a bit in the back. injection or glow plug on, glow plug off. Now it's sounding okay. Here we go. Give it some fuel. That's what I'm dealing with all the time. Now, normally, of course, the air box and air cleaner and stuff are on. It still does the same thing, so it's not like it's just chugging too much air, which it probably is. But, yeah, this is the greasy. This thing's 232,000 miles, 32,000, almost 33,000 miles. So it's got a lot of mileage on it. A lot of things plugged off and wires cut. So Facebook people, if you can tell me what's up with that. Appreciate any help you can give me. Thank you.